Good morning to Google Ads. Right now, we will make a campaign over our advert campaign so that you can get all the knowledge about what is this advert and what is this all about. So, right now, I am here going to tell you about the new campaigns. So, we will go to plus button and we will click on new campaign. Then these are some measurements which you have to go through. So first one is sales. Let's say you want to drive some sales on your e-commerce portal, then you can click on this box over there, so you can increase your sales as well as you can increase your ROI as well. So if you go to leads, let's say somebody is running a manufacturing industry and he want to generate his own leads. So for leads you have to make the landing pages and you have to do all the conversion tracking over there. So there are two options available on this. One is you have to you have to make a WordPress one page landing page, and where all the CTAs and all the points to be put on so that you can capture the maximum leads over there. And second one is there is a beta version in the lead contact form, so you can directly put on the lead contact form which is already inbuilt in this platform. Third one is website traffic. So in website traffic there are three types of traffic you can drive out. Let's say you are making a blogging website, then you have to drive some traffic from the target audience, target age group, as well as taste and nature. So you can click on this button. Third one is product and brand consideration. Let's say you are running an e-commerce portal, so you want to drive traffic from the running an advert campaign. So you can directly put all product and brand consideration. This you can click on the box. Third one is brand awareness and reach. It means that you want to aware about your brand in your target audience and target age group, and if you want to reach over, you can generate the impression over your website, let's say. And the last one is app promotion. For the app promotion you can let's say you have designed the apps, so you can put a download link over there. So these ads will be run over in your target area, target age group. So even though somebody is clicking on your ad, then he can directly move on to the Google app store. So these are five campaigns which you can run through, and basically it's a genuine part, and Google don't commit for ROI. It only commit for the sales, lead and website traffic. So thank you for the opportunity.